Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back. You're watching for Tech. OnePlus has started rolling out the big March OxygenOS 16.0.5 update for Nord series devices like OnePlus Nord 4 and Nord 5. This is my OnePlus Nord 5 which recently received the new OxygenOS SOTA update version B50P02. You will find its in-depth video link in the iCard and in video description. But from yesterday, Nord series devices have started getting the new OxygenOS update via beta release candidate section. This is a big update of 1.31 GB and it comes with the major changes. Today in this video, we are going to review all of these features and the changes. At the end of this video, we will also show you one major missing feature of this update along with its ARB status. So make sure to watch this video till the end. Now without further delay, let's get started. First, we will check out the version details of this update. Version details are now updated to OxygenOS 16.0.5 v701. Its SOTA version is B50P02. The major change of this update is that its new March 2026 security patches. This update brings some major changes. The first one is OnePlus Clock application, who can now add multiple timers at the same time. Just add any task with the timer, then start the timer. Next, you have to tap on this add timer option and you can add total 5 timers at the same time. All these timers will be available in the live alert notification. You can switch between different timers by swiping over the notification. These timers will be displayed with the estimated stop time. Next is the content portal feature, which is available in the accessibility and the convenience setting. You can now add the cloned applications in the custom services setting of content portal. So whenever you share any content using the content portal, you can share it with both the original and cloned versions of the applications. So these are the major changes of this update, but one feature is missing for the Nord series devices. That feature is motion cues. OnePlus added this feature in accessibility and convenience setting, but for Nord series devices, this feature is missing. We already reviewed this feature for OnePlus 13 and 15 series devices. You will find its link in the iCard. I think OnePlus has only provided it for the flagship number series devices. Still, I have reported this missing feature to OnePlus team. Next is very important point. What is the ARB status of this update? I have given the link to the ARB checker in the video description. There you can check that all Indian, global and EU variants of OnePlus Nord 5 which received this new OxygenOS 16 update are safe and do not have ARB implemented. So even after updating to this version, you can safely downgrade your device to older versions if you want in the future. That's all for today guys. I will use this update for at least 3 to 4 days and then I will release the second part of this video with the battery life, performance and the gaming review. But if I face any bugs while using this update, I will let you know, so stay tuned to our channel. Hope you guys liked our work, then please do like, hype and share this video, subscribe to our channel, press the bell icon for notifications of our upcoming content related to OnePlus and OxygenOS. Thanks for watching, see you next time, take care, bye bye.